properly use a salad spinner. Start by taking the basket out of the salad spinner and placing your lettuce in the bowl. Fill the bowl with cool water and use your hands to swish the lettuce around and loosen the dirt. Then take handfuls of the lettuce and lift it out of the bowl, shaking off some of the excess water, and drop the lettuce into the basket. Repeat until all the lettuce has been scooped out of the bowl. If the water left in the bowl is pretty dirty, either muddy or greenish or full of particles, you'll want to use the same process to wash your lettuce again. If you simply pour the water out of the bowl instead of lifting the lettuce out, you run the risk of pouring the dirt back over the lettuce or trapping the heavier particles under the lettuce at the bottom of the bowl. Once the water in the bowl is pretty clean looking, dump out the water, pop the basket with the lettuce back in the bowl, put the lid on, and give it a good spin. And that's it. You're done. Fast and easy.